after the whole job.
So we finally got this ramp finished, and I was very, very proud of it. It was a very, very righteous job. This lady was unable to get down her steps and can now get down and meet the world, and we made it wide enough for the eventual wheelchair that she says she'll need. So yes, very, very great, a great triumph, this job.
That's one. I'll just put shelves in here. Yeah. Slightly slipped up here because can't get the drilling to drill. Sorry. Good afternoon, folks. So I've got a problem. I fitted this gate a couple of weeks ago, and the wind has whipped it into a cataclysmic closing position. So it won't clear now because this is split up here. So and it's bent this latch over. So we're going to go and get another piece of timber, refit that, and get a hook and eye so it can be locked in the open position, and yeah, get it back to its full glory again. Okay, catch you in a bit.
No, push it, just push it.
What?
I was just gonna say that.
Lean that up against the... Where am I?
The camera.
Yeah.
I don't know how wide it is, or is it just like an estimate?
25mm, it'll go through there. That's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Need to close that gap.
What's he getting? So you're undoing it?
Bring this over. Yeah. I'll take this out. Hello folks, so right, we've effected a repair on this job now. So we've got a new piece of timber in here. We've got swivel plate properly fixed. Sliding bolt. What else have we got? Major improvements. We've got a hook and eye here. So that they can have it open. But basically what we've got is this spring in here. It's tensioned. So the spring's tensioned so that it opens up constantly. So that will fight against any wind that's going to slam it shut. So yeah, I think that's an effective repair. Okay, catch you on the next one. So
They've smashed every pane to try and find the handle, and then they've eventually pulled it off and knocked this down quite so yeah. So we got in.
Did the ceiling?
No, because we were in. I heard them.
Did Dave Chinham?
Yeah.
He did?
Dave, he didn't know. He screamed at us about you. Yeah, bastards, and they like it.
Right.
But I rang the police. I wouldn't let them do. And I said, you're gonna have to wait until I. So I rang the police. Police were here within about 8 minutes.
You best work. Oh yeah, you got it, yeah. walls. Crumbly walls. Can you put that board on it?